Want to change the background color of your ID photo but don't know where to start? Would it take too long to take another photo with a different background color? Don't worry. Using Picwand through advanced photo editing technology, you can make your ID photo have countless background colors to cope with the various needs in your life. First of all, go to Picwand website and choose AI Photo Cutout function. Click to upload your picture. After uploading the picture, AI will automatically remove the original background color. You can see the comparison of the effect before and after removing the background color. Then go to the editing page. Click on the left side to change the different background color. After you find the color you need, click on the Save button to generate a brand new photo with different background color. Fast, simple, and convenient, with advanced AI technology to help you solve the troubles in life. You can leave your questions in the comment section, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our channel. Let's see you in the next installment.